Hey, it's Tasha with PaintScout. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to build an estimate in under 5 minutes in PaintScout. So you'll log into your account, you'll go to the new button up top and start building out a new estimate. You'll start with your estimate type. You can customize these depending on the services you offer. Today we'll do an interior estimate. You can then work off of an empty quote or a pre-crafted template to help speed things up. We'll work off of a basic template. So on the top of your estimate will be your logo, your company info, and estimator's info. First thing you'll want to do is add your contact. You're able to store all of your leads in PaintScout. That way you're able to search for the lead. Or if it is a brand new customer, you can put in their information right on the spot. Once you add your customer, it'll add all of their info. You can also put in a job address if it's a separate location, or use the same. Now this template already has some preloaded information in here, a line item and a couple of areas. The process for building it out would be choosing between an area or line item. For line items, we have these preloaded and you can customize them. For example, if you want to include information like payment details, could be excluded areas, scope of the project, or in this example, deposit info, you can always edit these as well, depending on the deposit amount that you'd like. On the area section, let's say we're doing a living room. You'll go in, take your width, length, and height of the space. The system will calculate your linear feet, your wall, your ceiling, and your floor square footage. And then you can attach whichever surfaces you're painting. If we're painting the walls, ceilings, trim, and maybe a window as well. So it's just plug and play, attaching each surface in the room. Once you've added everything, the system will do all of the math of calculating your hours, materials, your labor, and your total cost, and then you can add that area to the estimate. Obviously, because I worked off of a template, I already have a couple of rooms pre-built in there, but if you did how I manually created a room, it's really easy to copy that and then adjust it for the next room. Just speeds things up even more. Again, you can adjust the dimensions for this specific room, and it'll recalculate all of your surfaces for you. You can still go in and make edits. Maybe this room, we need 3 coats on the ceilings, and maybe we're not even doing the baseboards, so you can remove that out. Now, once you've added your areas and your line items, there's also an options section where you can include info to potentially upsell the project, something like a paint upgrade, and then you could put in the price difference for using a higher end paint. You can even include an area as an option. Let's say the customer wanted a price for their office ceilings, but they're not sure about moving forward with it. At least you can show what that cost would be, and they're able to add those options on their end before they sign off on the quote. There will be a product section pulled from any products you've selected in your estimate. You can also add media as a reference point for your customer. Click into your area or line item, go to add media. We do integrate directly with Company Cam, or you can just pull photos from your device or take them in from your camera roll. Add however many photos or videos that you'd like. And you can also add notes to go along with those. Once you add them to the estimate, it'll show up in a media section down below. At this point, once you've added your options and your media, you can go ahead and save the estimate and either send it through text or email with those automated follow-ups then triggered, or you can present this right on the spot. Not only is it just the estimate, but you can also include a sales proposal for your customer. And then along with the estimate will be your contract, and then the customer is able to digitally sign off on both the estimate and the contract. And that's how you build an interior estimate in PaintScout in under 5 minutes. If you have any questions while building your own estimates, just click the chat button in the bottom right of the platform. Our team is always happy to help.